welcome to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today I'm excited to show you a special package sent by LEGO. This is regarding the all-new Tron Legacy LEGO set that literally just came out. If you want your very own, check out their link down below in the description. Now, this here is a special package in which I have no idea what's inside. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what it's all about. Alright, so the packaging itself is really cool. I love the design of it. It almost looks like something out of Tron itself. Now it does say LEGO right here, and it says Tron Legacy. You see like a battery pack as well as different things such as environment, stability, etc, etc. And then as you kind of rotate it, you see this cool looking Tron logo. Almost looks like a battery pack as well. It says item classification XAGT. Not sure what that means, but actually has a really cool appearance to it. And then on the sides it just says Tron Lego, and then that's about it. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what's inside. You guys ready? That is so cool! Check that out! Oh my god! Dude, the LEDs on this are crazy! I can't believe they actually did this! And then right in the center we have the all-new Tron Legacy Cycle set. I mean, wow, look at that! Even on the top here you have so many different things going on, a lot of dimension. Even it looks like a 3D structure to it, which is actually really unique. It looks like you have a little card here showing that it's like a little thank you card. And then over here's the all-new Cycle set. Oh my god, I can't wait to open this. On the box itself, I do see you got 3 different characters. So we have Sam Flynn, we have the Rinzler, and then we have Cora. Looks like we're building 2 different cycles, so that's really cool. You got one for Sam, and then you got one for the Rinzler. And then on the back here, it kind of shows you a little bit more details. So it looks like you get a cool looking base. Almost looks like the grid as well, which is actually really cool. And then we have the 3 different characters, and they have their own identity discs, which is awesome as well. Definitely a very unique set. Can't wait to go ahead and build this right now. But the box itself is, wow, that's actually some unique stuff, especially with the LEDs on it. I think that's actually really cool how they designed it. Definitely a very unique structure, and like, wow, check that out. That is some crazy stuff. Anyways, let's go ahead and open this thing and see what it's all about. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this box up and see what's on the inside. Alright, so this just goes ahead and slides open just like that, and wow! So you get a few different tags here. Alright, so this is everything that it comes with, so we get 2 different bags. So this here looks like we have the characters as well as the grid itself, and then over here it looks more about the cycles itself, so it should be quite some fun to see how this all builds out. Now this here is our little instruction manual. So at the beginning kind of talks about fun facts as well as like the designer who made it. Talks about the different characters from the movie itself, in case if you're not familiar with it. But definitely one of my most favorite movies of all time. Now as we kind of work our way through it, here is all the different steps, step by step, on how to go ahead and build this. So definitely exciting, and should be quite a lot of fun to see how this all plays out. Wow, look at that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and cue up that montage and build this bad boy. Alright, so our LEGO set is finally done, and wow, this thing was actually a lot of fun to build. I love the characters itself as well as the bikes. It's actually really highly detailed and definitely a lot of fun to build. Now, let's just kind of break it down a little bit and look at the piece itself. So overall, it does have a cool looking display which shows the grid itself with the bikes kind of racing. You even have these little treads on the back here as well, showing the lights as they're going. And then you get an extra character as well with Quorra just kind of standing off to the side, but I'm sure she can actually stand behind Flynn. I'm not exactly sure. Anyways, looking at it again, let's go ahead and take a look at Sam first. So this here is our hero, Sam Flynn, on his bike, and it actually does move, which is really cool, and then you get this cool looking trail as well. Now, building the bike itself was quite simple in design, definitely a very unique structure nonetheless, and then the character itself just kind of sits just like that, and you can actually go ahead and just take him off just like that as well. Alright, so this here is Sam, and he's the main character from the movie, and in terms of details go, it's really cool. You can actually see his helmet, definitely a very unique helmet, and then he has his discs on the back as well. Now, the thing about this character is that if you take off his helmet, you can go ahead and change his facial expressions from angry to happy, and so on and so forth. And then another thing you can do is that it does come with hair as well, so you can actually put hair on the character, and there you go. Now he looks like Sam from the movie as well without his helmet. And then in terms of his disco, you can go and take it out and make him hold it as well. And then even his outfit is very unique. It portrays a lot of characteristics from the movie as well, which is actually really cool. So let's go put that back together now. Now the next character we'll look at is actually Quorra. Quorra is another main character from the movie as well. She's actually part of the game itself, and then she comes out at the end of the movie. Now a key distinction of her is her sword, as well as her hair, which you can actually see in here as well. And again, with her, you can actually change her facial expressions from angry to happy, and so on and so forth. And then she also has her own disc, which is on the back, which she can detach and use it as well. In terms of her outfit goes, it portrays the movie in terms of her sleeves, as well as her pants. Over here, you can actually see part of her dress coming off to the side. So definitely really cool, and she can actually sit on the bike as well. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the villain in this one here. This here is the Rinzler. Now Rinzler's bike is orange, you can see that here. And it also has a trail coming off at the end. You can actually go ahead and rotate that as well, which is really cool. Alright, so in terms of Rinzler goes, the character itself is really unique, just because in the movie, his key distinctions mainly his helmet, which you can actually see right here. So they did portray it quite well. And then the fact that he has two discs instead of one, so you can actually yield both of them. They just kind of come off just like that. And you just go ahead and put them back on if you want to, just like that as well. Now in terms of his face, I don't think they ever showed it in the movie, so hopefully he does have one. Let's go and take a look. Oh, I guess not. Just kidding, he has one right there, and he's just angry in general. So let's go and put that back, and then you can actually see his outfit as well. Actually really cool, and actually portrays the movie quite well as well. Alright, and in terms of the grid goes, you can actually see the design of it right over here, and coming through like that, so they can actually race through it. And then on the bottom kind of shows how it looks as well. But yeah, overall a great quality piece, and actually a lot of cool aspects to it. Definitely portrays the movie quite well. I think LEGO did an excellent job with this piece, and definitely props to the designer as well. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you once again to LEGO for sending out this amazing set. And if you guys had any questions or concerns, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.